this is Blake, and these are my Hot Wheels. This one is my favorite Hot Wheel, and it's called Shark Bite. But it looks like a fish actually. Well, it's a shark. Even the other Hot Wheel is Bone Shaker Crush. But unlike Bigfoot, I like Bigfoot more.
That first one looks like a piranha, not like a shark. Are you sure that it's a shark?
I think it's a piranha.
Okay. And the other one is Bigfoot?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What's your favorite? What else do you have in there?
Even there is Rhinomite.
I like Rhinomite.
Even there's Bone Shaker.
Bone Shaker.
And the lot more difference is Double Derby.
Double Derby.
And the other is Mega Rex.
Mega Rex.
And
Which one's your favorite of the ones that you have out there? Rhinomite? Rhinomite.
And the other laptop, if you just pull this down, you
Oh, man.
That's so crazy, isn't it?
That is so crazy.
So, if you really have this kind of toy, you have to get it.
Oh, yeah. Is that, you like the truck?
Yeah.
That looks like a bone shaker truck, isn't it?
Yeah.
The big one is a bone shaker truck?
Yeah. With a trailer on attached to it.
Okay, so which is your favorite monster truck that we have here?
The piranha.
The piranha?
Yeah. He can do square. He can do a loop-a-loop.
A loop-a-loop.
And a wheelie. and ride on one tire. And do a wheelie at the front. And he can do a donut.
That's cool. So that's, you said that was shark, but that looks like a piranha.
Yeah, with lots of colors.
Yeah, okay.
The other one is my favorite is Water Dodger.
That one's cool. You sure it's not Roger Charger?
It is Water Charger.
Oh, okay. It looks like a charger.
And this is
Ratical Racer.
Radical Racer with slime on.
With slime?
Yes.
What's the one there that looks like a panther in your hand?
This one?
Yeah, what's that one?
It's a dog 3S.
Oh, cool.
And this one is Bigfoot. And this one is Rhinomite. And this
I like Rhinomite.
And this is Bone Shaker.
It's a different bone shaker. You got a black one too, don't you?
And this is Double Derby.
That's a cool one.
Well, we're going to have a race. The other races is differenter than the other ones.
Oh, you're gonna have a race?
Yes.
That's good.
3, 2, 1.
That's not really a race. You're just playing with them. What's that army truck looking one right there in front of you?
I think it's Star Warsing 3S.
Okay.
So that army truck is the winner. Bonk. Brush down. What the?
What the?
Crush cars and the. What
Okay.
the?
And how do they go back into your big monster truck?
You load the big monster truck up like this, and you turn them around, and then you pull the back thing up, and then first the different one goes at the top. Well, that's a tuna fish.
That's a good one.
What's this fish again?
That's a piranha.
Piranha. And Bigfoot goes at the second floor. Oh,
Oh no.
I'm going to pick it up.
Okay.
That was so crazy. And the other one is my favorite one in the world.
In the world?
It's Bone Shaker.
Bone shaker.
Why is it going on top of the cars? And goes at the second floor. This one is a bit like a dinosaur. Well, it's Mega Rex.
Mega Rex.
And this one's a bit slimy. And it's called Radical Racer.
Radical Racer.
This one is Star Wars and 3X. What the?
I like that one. That one's cool.
The green one is cool?
Yeah, Daddy likes big trucks. I like that one.
Have you ever...
Whoa, what's that one called? Because Daddy likes that one.
It's called... I think it's...
Dynamite.
Dynamite. What the... And the other is Dog and Downs.
Which one?
This one is Dog 43X.
Oh, okay. You've called a few 33X. What's with the 33X?
He can do back wheel flip.
Oh.
He can drive on like one wheel, like this. Okay. It's not moving.
That's cool.
Roger Dodger is in the lead. What the? Backwards flip.
Backwards.
Did it really after a backwards flip? Now, what was that for, Double Derby?
Double Derby.
Down and S.
What one's that one?
It's called free. It's called XSN.
Okay.
One last car left.
That's the Barbie Dune Buggy.
Barbie Dune Buggy. Well, where does it go?
In the back there.
What the? Why's it closed like that? That's the end of my movie. Bye.